Good morning, everyone. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 2nd of September. US payrolls, will they pave the way for a September hike? Today, all eyes will be on the US employment report for August. The forecast is for non-farm payrolls to have risen by 180k, considerably less than July's 255k, but still a solid reading that would point to further tightening in the labor market. Even though the ADP figure has not been the most reliable tracker of the NFP in the past few months, the print hit 177k in August, supporting the case for a decent NFP number. The unemployment rate is expected to have ticked down to 4.8% from 4.9% previously, while average hourly earnings are forecast to have slowed. Despite the slowdown in earnings, this still seems like another month of strong employment gains overall. Following 2 months of stellar jobs growth in June and July, another concrete report could go a long way in building investors' expectations for a Fed rate hike as early as the upcoming gathering. Currently, the market is pricing a 24% probability for such a move. Considering the latest optimistic signals by many FOMC officials, including Chair Yellen, we believe that a solid report is likely to cause this probability to skyrocket and thereby add fuel to the dollar's recent rally. Having said this, though, we have to sound a note of caution as the NFP has missed its August forecasts in the last 5 years. Added to this, the disappointing ISM manufacturing PMI yesterday showed that employment in the sector contracted in August. As a result, we see the risks surrounding the NFP number as skewed to the downside. A big miss could pare back bets for a September hike and thereby push the dollar off the cliff. As for today's highlights, during the European Day, the UK's construction PMI for August is due out and expectations are for the index to tick up. Following the positive surprise in the manufacturing PMI for the month, we see a high likelihood for a similar upside surprise in the construction figure too. A notable increase in the index could extend the pound's recent gains. Eurozone's PPI for July and Norway's unemployment rate for August are also coming out. From the US, besides the jobs data, we also get the trade balance and factory orders both for July. However, these indicators could pass unnoticed as investors may be digesting the employment report. Canada's trade balance for July is expected to show that the nation's deficit narrowed somewhat. We have only one speaker scheduled for today, Richmond Fed President Jeffrey Lacker. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Charalambos Pissouros, Senior Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.